Hello, this is Heritier our slab to 1. Now our roof is well setted. But this is not enough. This is not enough. What if I want to change some different design on this roof? Let me put here the gable roof. And when you want to provide a gable, you have to select the roof and then select this point. You come here on the stretch horizontal edge, and then you stretch this one to the front, and then you find your roof. One part is gable, and also let me change this part to gable. This one gable. Okay, even I can stretch this one to here so that I can make it to but this point. Okay, yes, let me check in 3D so you can see that here we have double or gable on the two sides. So again, I have to close here with wall, and then I drag my wall. I select I bring my wall here too. I select it to 20 of 500. I delete this one. I delete again this one, and I drag these two to 450. 450. So I select the roof and the wall. For going to trim them, I trim 2-point reference. So let me trim by using this. Trim the wall. Okay, now the wall I trimmed. So as the wall I've trimmed, I have to bring this slab back. Yes, these are some small settings that you can provide on the roof. So let me also split this roof into single parts. Okay, for here I can set this roof as the way I want. Okay, and bring back this one. Let me check how it is looking like. Okay, now you can see that here I have splitted the roof. I can stretch this surface in this way, in this way. Okay, checking 3D. Here what you do is to change the slope. You change the slope like this, so you can see that your roof is different. And also I can take this one and bring it to here, and I can provide a hole in this roof. For instance, like this. I select the roof and then I create a hole in that roof. Let me put like this hole. Select the roof and then come here to subtract, and then you start specify the line, and the hole is in the roof. So in the manual way and also the funny way, I can cover this surface. Yes, this is my roof. I can delete this part and delete this one, and also delete this part, and I delete this one too. And I check in 3D. Check in 3D. Okay, now you can see that I have provided another gable roof on the existing roof. So let me cover this one with wall in a simple way. I have to provide a wall here, and also I crop it, and no, let me not crop it immediately. Provide the roof cursor, and I drag it to 200. That was a drag a copy, and then I select the roof and trim. So these are some different main settings that can help you when you want to design a roof. So, and when we back in the settings of roof, you will see we can again change the color. You can also change the pitch of the roof. You can edit the new settings freeform that what we have set it. You can also create another new and good design of the roof. So that was a simple roof for showing you simple settings, all the main settings that can help you to construct the roof. Subscribe so that you can see my following video tutorials work. So see you.